muscle now, dude.
You're looking a little thirsty. Cool off.
Oh! Soul charge. These two back.
Great. Can somebody hand me a bag?
Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Horse here. We're finally in Great Wolf Lodge, right?
Right. We're here.
Hi. Ow.
What's up, everybody? We're finally here. Great Wolf Lodge.
Take us a little picture, though, I think.
There is, that is very beyond out of focus. This is our cabin within our room. Let me show you around the cabin. Here's my bed.
Don't even do it.
Beef jerky.
Don't even think about it. If you do, I will slap you. I will go down there and slap you. You get 1 second. No, okay, I don't care. You can record me now. I just touched that and stuff came down. Look.
It's snowing now.
It's snowing in our room. It's snowing.
I see you.
I'm gonna fall. Oh my god, my hands are white. I
Uh,
turned white.
Since you're such a graveyard.
You want us to record your reaction?
Like this.
That's a reaction.
all right.
Anyway. This effect activates and bring it back to the field.
Emma, aren't we gonna go on an adventure to scout out the lodge?
We're gonna go on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. I'm gonna hit my head and die.
Oh my god. The next scene you will see will be us going on an adventure. Hey guys, sorry I didn't record anything of like the water park because my mom didn't let me bring my iPad. But I'm just saying, I just got back from the water park. This was the day one. Well, technically, I came yesterday. I'm posting this today. I'm gonna record again today, and then expect that video tomorrow. All right, so I got a wand. You'll see this in tomorrow's video, Magic Quest. I'll explain it then. But I got the wand. I got the mascot wolf because I'm a furry. I mean, yeah. But hang on. But other than that, as you saw in the thumbnail, I got the wolf ears that we got on the way in. I won this at an arcade. I got 675 tickets. Then it's ball drop game. I bought balls. Look, you can see the camera. But here, let me show you. They're like the medicine ball things. They ring. But yeah, that's therapeutic too. And last thing I got was, hang on, headlight. There's what I call seizure setting, train signal setting, and regular setting. Oh my god. Yeah, but expect the Magic Quest video tomorrow. And I will see you guys then. Bye! One thing, I might as well show you guys the cabin thing. There's bunk beds. This is my room in here. This is Emma's room. Look, let's be cozy up by the fire. Alright, seriously though. Bye!